آمنت بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله واليوم الآخر والقدر خيره وشره من الله والبعث بعد الموت لا
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed and I tagged along with Furqan Travel with Sheikh Ahmed Dagahtour. I'm currently at Medina. I've spent almost a week at Medina. Tomorrow I am going to start my Umrah trip to Mecca, which is going to be a 5-hour journey travel. My time at Medina has been very impressive and compact. We are currently at a wonderful hotel and first impressions was very good and great. Thank you very much to Furqan Travel. The masjid is just around the corner, literally 5 minutes walk and you're at the gate at Masjid Al-Nabawi. Thanks to Sheikh Ahmed Dagahtour for arranging the setup. We also went to Masjid Quba in Medina, the very first masjid that has been built by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the benefit of doing 2 number raka'ah at the masjid is that it will gain you the same ajr as if you are doing Umrah itself. So thank you Furqan Travel for showing us around and taking us there. We also went to Mountain of Uhud and we got to see how the battle took place, how the Muslims were winning during round 1, but then eventually at round 2 they lost due to the 50 companions falling down the mountain where only 10 remain, and then consequently the 10 got killed by Khalid bin Walid, which then resulted in the Muslims getting defeated after chasing the booty. So thank you again for Furqan for giving us a lesson there. We also had the chance of drinking organic camel milk straight from the camel farm, so we get to see the camel getting milked right in front of us. Thank you Furqan Travel for arranging that up. Furqan Travel gave us the transport initially starting from Birmingham, where I'm from, on a coach all the way down to Heathrow Airport. Consequently from Heathrow Airport we went to Cairo, and then from Cairo to Medina International Airport, and then from there Furqan arranged a coach service to the hotel where we was greeted by the hospitality of Crown Plaza Hotel. Thank you Furqan for that. And that's me.
Hello, my name is Mubarak Dero. I went to Umrah with Furqan Travel during December 2019. Our group leader, Sheikh Ahmed Dagahtour, who took us to Medina Al-Munawwara, showed us the sights. Uhud showed us the various sights. Showed that we prayed in the Prophet's Mosque, as well as took us to Makkah Al-Mukarramah, where we prayed in the Haram. I've had a great experience. I urge all young people to come to Umrah next year, maybe during Ramadan or during the summer or during the Christmas in 2020. It's a great experience, life-changing experience, and I hope you can all enjoy it. Thank you.
waxaad ka mid tahay waalidiinta hore Furqan Travel ka waran dareenkaaga haye maxaa ku faraxsan tahay maasha waxaa lagu helay shalay oo soo cabna caana geel iyo cibaado iyo ciyaartii carruurta inta xagee laga helaa Furqan Travel waa ku faraxsan ma maasha Allah magacaaga igu celi Ali Hired oo kamid ah shirkadda Furqan dadka soo raacay xaqiiqatan farxad bay noo tahay waalidiinta xitaa duubanayo waxa meesha ka dhacayo ilaahay ma hadii way waa kuwaas carruurtii oo farxad iyo rayn iyo barwaaqo iyo bashbash ay ka muuqato waxa inta khadamaadkaas u ballan qaaday waxay ahayd shirkadda Furqan Travel ma sha Allah tabarakallah Sophia how are you feeling ka waran dareenkaaga are you happy
Yeah, it's good. It's going great.
Furqaan Travel maxaa siinaysaa
10 out of 10.
ما شاء الله 5 star miya
Yeah, fun.
ما شاء الله maxaa ku faraxsan waxaa u faraxda why because of what
Because to get to experience this type of environment, it's really different from what we normally do.
cibaado iyo ciyaar ما شاء الله soo ma
Yeah, very.
ما شاء الله تبارك الله haye Fawziya ka waran dareenkaaga iyo ما شاء الله caruurtu waa ciyaarayaan ka waran maxaa dareemaysaa ugu faraxsan maxaa kaa farxiyay maxaad aragtay markii lagu sheegay markii hore iyo maanta waa live soo kala duwana gabadhaada ku wata gabadhaada maanta ee mooto ku wato marka way soo cibaadaystay igu celi waxa ma sha Allah Allah idin barka u duceeyay shirkada ma sha Allah tabarakallah waa wax lagu farxo nacam هنا ما شاء الله feeling guys how are you feeling are you happy with Furqaan Travel هيا because of حكم العستا هاي excellent يا تاك ما شاء الله هيا كيف ماضي ما شاء الله تبارك الله جبريل how are you happy هيا Furqaan Travel في عتها مسواه في عم سماه الله يبارك ما شاء الله وكل سنة نقطة مركلة دريك على كورن Furqaan Travel عسينيس مركلة وين
الحمد لله الحمد لله
صح ما شاء الله
الحمد لله
ولي أصلا وأمريكا أمور شيء وحقوا سنة صوص عضو مع العروس اللي كان إن شاء الله صمها إن شاء الله صلي how are you
الحمد لله
ما شاء الله
very well everybody's having fun we're making sure that we have fun as well as we do our ibadah inshallah
ما شاء الله waxaad arkaysaan Furqaan Travel dadkii dhalinyarada ay soo qaaday gabdho iyo wiilal sida ay ugu baashaalayaan banaankan ما شاء الله Ayub ما شاء الله Ayub how are you هيا أي ورن how are you feeling are you happy
very happy
Furqaan Travel say again ما شاء الله say Furqaan Travel هيا how are you feeling are you happy ما شاء الله
ورحمة الله وبركاته مقعي وشادية الحمد لله وحن قنع مريسنية وحصل قرار على شركة الفرقان وحنا هجامين دكتور الحمد لله سيف عم بن الله يكون فرح سنة هاي عبادة الله ومن رجع قبره مدينة نصوت شغل تتبع الشو يمكن أما كانت شغلنا الحمد لله رب العالمين عمرنا حالي ولدميني يمكن إن شاء الله هذه هي فرح سنة ولي إلى أن أكبر إنه رجع قبره شركة الفرقان وشركة هذا في عن مقاليد المكي أوريستي
السلام عليكم مقعكي وحوا أيوب عبد الولي first time كأيوة مدينة نه وحرة عن جريب كفرقان travel leader كانوا أها شيخ أحمد دقحتور مسك هوتيل كشوغنا وحوا it's a very good hotel وحوا 5-star hotel وحوا 3-minute walk away from Masjid Al-Haram. We went to go see Prophet Muhammad's grave, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There's a graveyard around the corner. There's lots of shops. It's a very local area. There's snack shops, chicken shops, shawarma shops, clothes shops, jewelry shops. Whatever you want, you can find here in Medina, in our area. Yesterday we went quad biking and it was really fun. We went as a big group and it was cheap and the journey was not long and we got to stay for a long time and it was very fun. It's my first time at Medina and we're here with Furqaan Travel, which is a very good company. They took good care of us and I recommend that you and your family come here with Furqaan Travel. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. My name is Abdusaq Al-Sami Abdi Aden and I'm here with Al-Furqaan Travels. As my friend said over here, it's a really good company. It's a really good company and I recommend you come here with your family and as soon as possible because it's a very good experience. And there's a couple, the Masjid Al-Haram is right near, really nearby and you can see the Prophet's grave and it's Sahaba, you can see it. And the other day when my friend said we went quad biking, it was really fun. We really enjoyed ourselves right there and really cheap and affordable. So I recommend you come here with Al-Furqaan Travels and this hotel is really nice. So
والبعث بعد الموت لا